So, hi dear Pisces, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading for all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind, this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from today till the 18th of August for those who are in complete no contact or communication and wants to know what's going on the other side. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start, Pisces. The person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now. We have the Page of Pentacles, the Nine of Pentacles, the Ace of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the King of Pentacles. This person definitely wants to come towards you to clear the air with you, to have a crystal clear communication with you, like this is the truth of the situation, this is the clarity, this is about me, this is about my money, job, career, this is about my individuality. This person wants to talk to you about something related to their money, job, career, or their singlehood. This person wants to tell you everything about them, like I am single, I am this much capable of making money, or I'm having this much amount of money, or I'm working on my freedom right now, or I'm working on my money right now. Whatever it is, this person wants to have a clear cut communication with you, or they want to clear the air with you regarding their independence, regarding their relationship status with other people. Okay, so might be there is some kind of misunderstanding going on, that this person is already married or committed or having some other people also in their life. So this person wants to clear the air with you. Okay, like a mature adult and grounded kind of energy. This person wants to come towards you with a clean, very clear and clean kind of energy, like, yeah, this is my truth and this is who I am and this is how it is going to be. Now you tell me what you want to do. So this is how this person is feeling right now, to come towards you with fresh and clean kind of energy, and telling you everything about their individuality. Okay, about their independent nature or individuality in some way, shape, or form. I don't know. This is what I'm getting as of now. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Pisces? We have the Death card, the Page of Wands, the Magician. Bottom of the deck, the Justice. Right now, this person doesn't want to talk to you. Right now, this person doesn't want to take any kind of action in this direction, although they feel like clearing the air with you, although they feel like telling you everything. But right now, they feel like right now taking the action in this direction is not the right thing. But they are in fact in this energy of manifesting a message, communication, or some kind of deal from your side. They are in this energy of they don't want to take any kind of action from their side. They don't want to take the initiative from their side, but they want to manifest some kind of initiative, some kind of energy from your side, because they think this is the right thing to do, this is the justice, that you should reach out to them, you should connect with them, you should try to clear the air with them, because might be they tried already, or might be they are in this energy of why should I do that, because I already did that, or I am not at fault here, the Pisces is the one to blame here, or something like that. Okay, so they're manifesting this energy of justice and balance from the universe's side, and according to them, the justice and balance is that you should reach out to them, you should connect with them, or you should reconnect with them, or you should do everything from their side. You should do everything from your side towards them. Okay, okay, cool. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 18th of August. No action at all. In fact, they are going to be in this energy of sitting in their power, trying to control their emotions, trying to control their urge to even do anything about this situation or in this direction. They are going to keep you blocked if you're already blocked. If you're not blocked, this person will try to block you, and they are going to be in this energy of keeping their guards very high. So right now, this person is in this energy of even if you are going to reach out to them, Pisces, they are not going to connect with you in a beautiful way, or they are not going to behave in a good way with you. In fact, they are going to behave very rude, cold, and off and detached, and they are going to be like in this energy of, I don't care about Pisces, I don't know who you are, I don't even want to talk to you. But this is exactly the opposite of what they want to do. This person definitely wants to clear the air with you in some way, shape, or form. They definitely want to give you some kind of truth and clarity, but at the same time they don't want to take the initiative from their side in this direction. They're manifesting this energy of, universe, please do justice with me, do something that do something so that Pisces is going to reach out to me. And if you're going to reach out to them, they are going to be very cold and off and detached, and they are going to behave like you are the one to blame here, you are the one who did something really wrong with them. So this is their game plan, patiently waiting for the time when you will be reaching out to them, or patiently waiting for the time when everything is going to be crystal clear in front of you in some way, shape, or form. I don't know what that is, I don't know how it is going to come out, or I don't know how that is going to happen, but they just want to wait for the right time, for that time when everything is going to be clear, okay, between you guys, like crystal clear. Okay, I don't see them taking any kind of action. In fact, they are going to be in this energy of, even if you are going to reach out, they are going to behave like they don't give a shit. Okay, honey. So definitely right now pissed off and in this energy of, I don't give a damn. But I do want Pisces to chase me. I do want Pisces to understand what they are putting me through. Guidance for you guys, keep it slow. If you're feeling stuck in the situation, take it one day at a time and let this time pass, let this phase pass, this too shall pass. And once you are going to feel ready to take some kind of action in this direction, do that. And maybe in the coming future, you are going to be in this energy of, okay, I don't want to go in that direction at all. Wait for the right time, wait for the energies to settle down in order to get the clarity whether you want the situation back or you want to move on completely. Because right now you might be not sure about the situation, you might be stuck in the situation. So wait for the time when you will be able to take the clear cut action from your side, with clear cut mindset and with clear cut energies. Other until unless you are going to get that point, that clarity, just calm down and just stand still and just keep moving forward, slowly but surely. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.